Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds Creative Outlier Air available on your iPhone? So, I already installed the application what Creative offer for the earbuds. And if we open it, we can see supported devices. You need to tap add new device and then go to can't find device. And there's a list of available devices for this application. So our model is Outlier Air and we need to find this model in the application. And right here we have Outlier Go and Pro. There's no our model, and here it is Outlier Air, but this one is V3. Mine is not, and you can check it. If you have 4 indicators, it means that you have normal Outlier Air, and if you have 3 indicators right here, it means that you have Outlier Air V3, and if you have V3, it's available for you, this application, but it's not available for my earbuds. Also, I'm trying to edit and nothing happened. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!